1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! We'll do this for your birthday, huh? For your birthday.
许愿。
不能讲 You say it and it don't come true.
他把那个我没有买那个蛋糕蛋。
Mom's like, I wish I win a million dollars. Okay, folks. Man, I left shit everywhere. I always do when I bake.
对啊。
Lee, you need a boyfriend.
Huh? You know, I have been having every client asking me and telling me
that you need a boyfriend.
No, it's like, oh, I haven't had a boyfriend yet.
Like,
there's my son. That's my nephew.
Recommendation.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, cutting the thumb in half.
Okay. This is double S smart, you know?
What?
Smart. Smart like this. Stupid. Big or small? Big.
不要了，先小的，因为吃不太小。
What cake is it, Talia?
Chiffon.
Chiffon means plain cake. You don't have anything. It's only.
It's just like a puppy.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. It moves.
We should
See, that's what it was supposed to be. It meant to be pink and then the heart.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, like that.
Small piece.
He was supposed to show on the outside, right?
Yeah,
Happy birthday.
that was my intention.
Lay
Yeah.
on.
我那天不是买那个
I don't know how to make
That's
this
small one. You want a big one?
Or maybe next time I do like a deeper
Like this?
layer.
Oh, no. Small.
This.
Oh my god, small daddy, small for everybody. That's huge.
That's huge.
Daddy?
Okay.
Happy.
You want something small?
Yeah. Small. Oh, mommy.
My nickname is cake cutter. Cake cutter, understand? You need to cut beautiful and cut oishi.
Oh.
Okay, I have this
This
one.
this one for me.
Cute.
No, it's okay, I eat it. Oh, I went a small diet. Okay, ma, what does it taste like shit? Oh, it tastes like shit. Sorry, mom.
I'll just square, okay?
Just right.
You need whipped cream with it.
And then your
I don't have any cream.
last guy joined a little bit or what? Happy birthday.
Yeah, she joined a little bit.
下个月是他的生日啊。
我知道啊
Last guy.
Yeah, but for her birthday, she's not getting cake, she's getting a steak or something.
Are you sure you're gonna give her a steak?
我们是喜欢吃这样。
Too much!
Happy birthday, that's it. No more.
Are you trying to kill my dog?
No, I love your dog.
Why you? Hey puppy,
Happy
happy birthday for mommy. Good deal. 我把一口就吞下去了。
Oh, very difficult. Swallow.
Sorry.
You too, guys.
That's me.
Oh, it's still recording.
What happened?
But
She's really dry.
yeah, very dry, very difficult. Very difficult to swallow. You put some water.
I put a lot of oil and orange juice